Welcome to Health Time 3. Today, we are going to talk about different kinds of diseases. Have you ever wondered why some people get sick more often than others? Or why one person may have a particular disease while another does not? Well, to answer these questions, we first have to understand what causes diseases in the first place. Today, we are going to talk about 3 common causes of disease. The first type of disease are hereditary diseases. These are diseases that are passed on from generation to generation. This means that if your grandparents or parents had the disease, then there is a chance that you and then your children will also have it. This does not mean that you will get every disease that your mother or father has. Doctors know which diseases are hereditary and which are not. Sickle cell is an example of a hereditary disease. If you have sickle cell, your body cannot absorb oxygen properly. It is very important that you know what hereditary diseases are in your family. If sickle cell is in your family, and then you marry someone who has sickle cell in their family, then it is more likely that your children will have the disease. If you marry someone who does not have sickle cell in their family, then it is less likely that your children will have the disease. The next type of disease is similar to hereditary disease. You may inherit a tendency or likelihood to get a disease, and then your environment helps determine whether or not you actually get it. For example, you may inherit the risk of cancer from your parents. Your mother or father had the disease, and you may or may not get it also. If you then smoke, your risk of getting cancer is 60% higher than the non-smokers. These diseases are therefore a combination of what you inherit from your parents and what you do with your life. Other examples of this kind of disease are asthma and diabetes. Here are some illustrations of the effects of your lifestyle on your tendency to get a disease. In this picture, you can see that the man started out with 4 lives. After 30 years of drinking, smoking, and being lazy, he has only 1 life left. If you do not have a healthy diet, do not exercise, drink alcohol and smoke, your risk for cancer is 75% higher than someone who has a healthy lifestyle. This man, however, still has all 4 of his lives. He has spent the last 30 years eating healthily and being active. Next, we have infectious diseases. These are more common than hereditary diseases. These are caused by your environment. Would you eat in a restaurant that was crawling with rats and overrun by garbage? You have no idea what kinds of germs you may pick up. This is why it is very important to keep your surroundings clean. Not just your home, but your community and the town as well. These diseases also spread from person to person. Some examples are the flu, chickenpox, and measles. Infectious diseases are generally spread by sneezing, coughing, or through personal contact with someone who has the disease. So you see, there are many reasons why someone may have a disease. Sometimes we have control over whether or not we catch a disease, and sometimes we have absolutely no control. The most important thing is that you keep yourself well educated and informed. Know what hereditary diseases are in your family, and understand how infectious diseases spread. Most importantly, live a healthy lifestyle and talk to your doctor.